Sheara Medical, a symbol of excellence in the battle for greater kidney health. Did you know that over 45 million citizens in the United States are in kidney failure? Did you also know that 750,000 of those citizens are receiving hemodialysis treatment 3 to 5 times per week, from 3 to 4 hours per day? Long hours, long lines, and long faces pile into dialysis center waiting rooms. Patients' lives turn miserable. It is at that point urgency turns to panic. The nephrologist then states, "There is nothing we can do." Along with these strategies, the patient is also given the timeline that they do not want to hear. The kidney transplant list is now 4 years long. Either a kidney donation or a long, hard wait. What is the patient to do now? This is exactly what happened to Keith in October of 2014. You see, Keith went into hypertensive heart failure and was told, "Your kidneys are failing, and you must go on dialysis 3 times per week." After the second month of dialysis, Keith decided that there had to be an answer. But what? Where would he even begin to start searching for this information? Doctors told him nothing. Keith decided to go into action. Here is what he did. Keith knew that, to get an answer, he would have to go underground. Keith began to uncover secrets that cultures in the Far East, such as China and other Asiatic peoples, have been using for centuries. Very soon after that, Keith began to change his diet, and he stabilized his kidneys. Keith learned about supplementation for healing. His GFR improved. Creatinine lowered. Dialysis done. Keith then decided on medical school. Dr. Keith Alexander Sheara helped many renal patients until September of 2023. Dr. Keith developed an infection from a jacuzzi which transferred to his bloodstream. Unfortunately, his kidneys failed again. This time, much worse. He was deep into stage 5 renal failure. Dr. Keith thought back to 10 years prior when his kidneys had failed. He knew what he had to do. Again! Dr. Keith went into action, and by the end of January of 2024, no more dialysis was needed. Dr. Keith decided that it was time for the rest of the world to learn the kidney healing plan. Underground Blueprint for Renal Regeneration gives patients a step-by-step guide to restore kidney function. Diet is covered. Supplements covered, simply and effectively. Dr. Keith and his staff at Sheara Medical are so convinced that the Underground Blueprint for Renal Regeneration can help you attain greater kidney function that the system comes with an unconditional 90-day money-back guarantee. What is found in the Underground Blueprint for Renal Regeneration covers such topics as the exact nutritional plan conducive for healing and rebuilding the kidneys, simple, effective supplementation, and herbal remedies which, used in combination, create the best environment for renal rebuilding, a complete guide on the basic reasons of kidney failure and how to prevent them, the best options for battling side effects from renal failure and how to combat them at the source, exercise measures to put the body in the greatest healing environment, the role the heart and the vascular system plays in kidney failure and treatment. No complicated medical jargon in which you need a medical journal to explain. Easily read chapters explaining step-by-step the plan to stabilize the loss of function and rebuild of the power of filtration. Dr. Keith has also included a copy of his official blood work from the late months of 2023 until the early months of 2024 when he was taken off dialysis. Dr. Keith has also enclosed a hospital photo and his dialysis fistula during a treatment. Dr. Keith Alexander Sheara and his staff at Sheara Medical look forward to walking with you on your battle towards better kidney health. Dr. Keith has made it his mission in life to educate and teach the incredible information and program that he had learned to heal his renal system and to survive dialysis twice without putting his name on the transplant list or urgently asking someone to donate. Dr. Keith is easily accessible and easily messaged at www.renalregeneration.com. Underground Blueprint for Renal Regeneration. Taking treatment and reversal of kidney disease to a new level of care. Sheara Medical. A symbol of excellence in the battle for greater kidney health.